I got broadsided in February. She went through a red light and hit me right on the side, spun around, injured my back and stuff, totaled my car. I did research. I wanted to find a law group that was close to home, but that had good reviews and was very family orientated, cared about the people. I didn't want to go to some big law firm who just, you were a number and that was it. It was great. Angie's been fantastic. I love her. She couldn't have done more for me. You know, she was always called me back, always emailed me back. Roberto was wonderful. He'd call, fill me in, keep me up to date on what was going on. So it was a very good experience. I'm really satisfied with the way things turned out. The insurance company was kind of and Angie and Roberto worked magic with them, so I was very pleased. Yes, definitely. Yeah, because they take a personal interest in you. It's just, like I said, you're not a number. So that's important. I'm just really satisfied with everything. And like I said, Angie's been great. Roberto has been great keeping in touch. So yeah, I'm happy.